Hello，大家好啊！歡迎嚟到天下知多啲，我係 Dennis。今日咧就會同大家講下幾個話題嘅。一個咧就係會講關於哥倫比亞大學點樣打壓啲猶太學生。咁呢個已經唔係學術自由嘅問題啦嘛。跟住咧亦都會講下乜嘢係民主，乜嘢係共和呢個概念。有一個係圍毆，一個係講數，究竟係咩意思咧？我相信咧，好多人都已經識點樣喺 YouTube 嗰度開中文字幕噶啦。但係咧，有時咧，因為以為好多人識，當有啲人唔識嗰陣時咧，就唔敢去問呢條片。如果你可以嘅話，亦都幫手分享出去，等一啲唔識嘅人，佢唔需要問嘅情況之下，佢都可以知道點樣開中文字幕啊嘛。呢條片咧就係我放咗喺英文 channel Asia Sky Media 入邊嘅，就講關於 The Big Beautiful Bill 啦。咁啊，全部英文嚟嘅。第一步咧，你撳呢個齒輪，跟住齒輪上邊呢度有呢個 CC subtitle。如果你係中文嘅，可能寫字幕兩個字啦，撳入去，佢唔會有中文顯示出嚟㗎。唔緊要，你撳咗英文呢個先，撳咗英文之後咧，佢就你見到啦，佢淨係顯示英文嘛。跟住再撳多一下。咁下邊咧有個中文叫做自動翻譯啦，英文就叫做 Auto Translate 啦，你就可以落去揀啦。所以係撳兩次㗎，好多人咧就撳咗一次揾唔到咧，就停咗喺嗰度。其實咧撳兩次 ，OK， 再嚟多一次，就係撳呢個齒輪，跟住撳呢個字幕，跟住下邊你只會見到英文啫，唔緊要，撳咗入去先。撳完咗入去之後咧，再入多一次呢個字幕，之後喺下邊自動翻譯。Auto Translate 撳多下，係兩次程序嘅，跟住你就跟住揀咯，中文繁體啦，梗係撳入去，咁可以顯示出嚟。如果你有啲朋友咧想知道點樣開啟呢個功能嘅話咧，咁你咪分享俾佢咯。咁好多謝大家啦，就同大家入呢個主題啦。點解阿 Trump 要去針對翻哥倫比亞同哈佛大學嘅原因？呢位咧就係非常著名嘅 Fox News 嘅新聞主播。咁佢就訪問咗一位喺哥倫比亞學生，叫做 Daniel DiMartino。咁佢就大家就可以聽下佢究竟講乜。如果你唔知佢講乜，你可以嘗試開啟個中文字幕。
I received an email in early March out of nowhere, really. It was even in a PDF. It wasn't even written in a proper email, just a PDF attachment, saying that I had been accused of what they call discriminatory harassment, and based on something that they didn't tell me what it was, and that I needed to meet with them as part of something they called a mandatory educational resolution, that if I am willing to accept guilt, there will be no disciplinary action against me. So I replied, asking them for questions. What is it that I'm accused of? They didn't reply that I needed to meet with them. I met with them, and then they showed me approximately 10 ex-posts that I was wondering what they were. And after I was shown all of them for 45 minutes and chastised, I told them that, look, there have been many times in my life in which I have regretted something I said, but all the things you showed me, I absolutely stand by them, because these are common sense things that most people agree with.
Now, the school says it's not taking any action against you, but it writes in a letter that if you retaliate, then you may face disciplinary actions. Wait, if you retaliate, if you actually bring up what you're concerned about here, then you're going to be in trouble.
Well, what's happening is...
What's going on there at Columbia?
These people don't understand what time it is. It feels like they don't understand that they are in the public eye because of their actions against Jewish students, and now, really against all people of faith. This, I think, just shows that college campuses in America, unfortunately, have become a hotbed for left-wing radicalism.
一個大學要求學生寫悔過書，而且仲要喺呢個悔過書入邊就話明你唔可以去公開去話俾人知發生緊咩事。呢啲咩大學嚟㗎？真係唔係大學嚟嘅，點可能仲夠膽叫自己讀高尚學府啊？呢個哥倫比亞大學同哈佛大學真係一擔擔㗎。其實哈佛大學仲離譜啊！所以咧，點解阿 Trump 先至咁樣去截佢哋嗰啲經費？就唔係阿 Trump 係一個獨裁者，而去 打壓學術自由，呢個要搞得非常清楚。學術自由嘅打壓唔係來自阿侵，係來自民主黨嘅一班廢柴。民主黨借用 DEI 呢個所謂嘅光環，跟住就去打壓其他啲族群。好多時我哋講民主，其實咧就冇講到咩係共和。咁同埋人多蝦人少，好聽啲就叫做少數服從多數咯。咁少數服從多數嘅話，咁咪相等於圍毆咯。你少數咪俾大數嘅圍毆咯，就係咁啫嘛。究竟咁民主係究竟係唔係一個好嘢嚟嘅咧？共和咧，共和個意思就係共同和好啦，咁講啦嚇。咁大家都好啊嘛，咁咪叫做共和咯。咁如果要大家都好，咪要傾咯，咁啊叫做講數咯。咁諗起呢個題目，咁啊一個圍毆，一個講數咯。圍毆講數呢啲咁咪就好似黑社會術語咁。究竟黑社會呢啲術語係啲咩意思啊？咁啊黑社會就係以前早期叫做洪門，就係孫中山嗰班反清復明分子咧去搞嘅。咁反清復明啊嘛，驅除韃虜啊嘛，建立民國啊！呢個成個標語喺度，偉大的國父孫中山。咁佢哋嗰陣時咧，清朝啊嘛，反朝廷啊嘛，咪打佢叫做黑社會咯，負面嘅名啊嘛。咁咧諗起圍毆呢樣嘢，跟住咪抄資料就見到，咦，黑社會打交喎，講到打交喎，黑社會講到打交呢個部分喎，咁咪諗起，咦，有個職位名就叫做紅棍啦啊。咁紅棍嘅來源咧係點樣嚟咧？咁紅棍嘅來源咧，就係嗰陣時因為咧要打交啊嘛。嗰陣時啲少林和尚啦，就唔好似而家啲少林和尚咁嘅，對政權咧就毫無感覺嘅。嗰陣時啲少林和尚咧都係有反清復明嘅意識嘅，但係和尚練功夫咁啊用支棍去練嘅，咁嗰支棍咧就係紅色嘅，所以咧就叫做紅棍。咁佢哋咧就負責去打嘅或者防衛啦。有中山少林寺嗰陣時咧都曾經俾清朝朝廷咧大屠殺過噶，而今時今日咧已經今非昔比啦。咁跟住再睇下，咦，共和就講數啊嘛，民主就圍毆啊嘛，黑社會都有講數職位嘅。咁講數職位就叫做白紙線，好鬼靚嗰啲名，其實好鬼文雅噶。咁啊點解會有白紙線呢個字出嚟咧？咁原來咧就係因為嗰陣時啲傳統嗰啲茶餐督撐嗰啲咧，咁咧做嗰個師爺個角色咧，永遠係會揸住把線喺度撥下撥下，要策劃啊，要財務管理啊，講數談判啊，咁總之呢啲嘢就係佢哋做噶啦。民主共和咧有主要嘅區別，就唔係響圍毆同埋講數嘅，嗰個咧即係大家玩下啫。正式嚟講個區別咧喺決策方面，咁民主就係直接投票參與政策，咁共和係點咧？共和其實我哋亦都叫做代議政治，即係揾代表做政策去決定法律。咁呢個參與程度咧，當然啦，好明顯啦。民主就個個人都要去溫習啊，咁樣嗰啲法律啊，嗰啲咁嘅嘢去參與，去個 City Council 嗰啲人就知啊，煩到阿媽唔認得。OK，呢個就係民主。咁共和咧就係揾幾個 councilman 出嚟，議員啊，你哋上去開會，你哋講掂就得啦。你講唔掂或者你做得唔好，我下次就唔投你咁樣。政府架構啦。即係呢度有寫啦，直接民主、間接民主啦。你要有真真正正嘅民主，係基本嚟講係冇可能嘅。冇一個人係可以真係花好多時間去真係認識個法律、了解跟住去投票。加州淨係投 proposition， 啲人都唔識投啦，要啲人睇，咁個個都係 voting guide 嘅啫嘛，用 voting guide 咪即係代議士咯，你揾人代你去做呢啲功課。咁跟住你啲人代你做咗功課之後，你就去睇完就照投。咁同你去揾一個代議士，選一個議員出嚟，幫你去解決咗法律上或者政策上嘅問題，咁咪仲好。咁你咪慳咗好多功夫咧。但係個選舉一定要公平透明，要真係嗰個議員民選出嚟，咁就得噶啦。咁以後喺政策方面就佢搞掂。所以我自己就當然真係中意共和啦，即係要揾食噶嘛，大佬邊有咁多時間即係坐喺度逐條法案同你點？ 根本嚟冇乜可能咧有絕對民主同埋絕對共和嘅。認識呢個概念先。美國憲法入邊你揾唔到民主呢個字，我哋喺獨立宣言入邊你揾唔到民主呢個字，所以我哋係走緊共和制度嚟嘅。希望大家知道啦，多謝大家收睇，記得留言、分享、點讚，下次再見，拜拜。